What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been quite a while. I know it's been a few months. I took a bit of a break, but I was also dealing with some stuff, but everything's all good. So today we are going to Bredasdorp for a Parkoff slash car show. I don't think it's a show level, but I think it's a Parkoff. But anyways, so here we have my car. Over there we have Carl and his car. Over here, Nino. Carl's car's on steelies. But his wheels are in the car in the back. We're just gonna put it on when we get there, because 16s, tires for 16s are expensive. But now yeah, we're just busy waiting and we're probably gonna hit the road soon. So yeah guys, we made it to the Parkoff in Bredasdorp. We're sitting in the car because it's very cold. But now yeah, we're gonna take a walk now and show you guys what cars are here. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So yeah, we have a Caddy. I think this is a 16 valve. Nice. Nice 7R. Lovely. Lovely. Wow. I think this is a VW Parkoff. That's why there are so many VWs here. And a lot of people. It's a huge turnout. Well, not huge, but a little turnout. Over here, calls over there, yeah. Nice GT. We've been here for a few hours, so the cars are already dropped. Everything done already. Carl has his steelies on. But he has his wheels here in the back. There's a beach buggy. Away, kom maar Owen. Kendall's car. Ken low. Very low. You've seen him in the vlogs before.
I have a Runnex 1600. Can go.
Diana.
Yeah, boy.
Nice. Skoon.
Voor.
Je gaat nou om. Go die.
That one have take coilovers.
Nice Runnex. Nice flash bumper there. Nice
With the R-line drum.
It's nice. This is the 165 45. Nice.
That's my car.
X-Men
crew. I'm representing X-Men crew.
Nice. It's
OEM Plus.
Nice bro. Go ahead man.
Yes, rare bro.
There are 6 over here. There is a rev off happening at the moment, so hopefully he goes. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. It's a Figo Chief. I'm sure you guys have seen this car before. Nice Golf 60 Ti. Solo. Nice wheels. What are these? Polo looks nice. Corolla looks nice. Go around the back here. Polo Street. I think it's a 1.18. This is nice. I really like these Jetas. This car belongs to Vickers. Very nice. It's a okay turnout for a small town and that's so far away from everyone else. But yeah, they said they're gonna start the rev off soon. So if it's not too full, then I'll go stand in and get some clips for you guys. But we'll see. I'm just on my way looking for my jack. Because this guy with the Polo has my jack. Looks nice, man. Yeah!
Here's my other car, the AMG. I park it just over there. You can just go there.
They're awesome to show us just a demonstration. Hello.
Carl Walters.
Oh, good! Gevallen. Lekker Koos! So yeah guys, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that short vlog. We are about to hit the road. We're just at the BP quickly. So yeah, just put in fuel. Car. That maniki is making a noise. Cars over there. There's a Bura coming past now. Nice. And Kindles over there. We're checking oil and stuff. But now yeah, we're ready to hit the road. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for staying to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for all the support. I really do appreciate it. I'm going to start uploading more. So yeah, stay tuned for those. Keep well, keep safe.